Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today our question is x plus 1 over x is equal to square root of 3. So we have to find the value of x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100. So starting our solution here, that our problem is x plus 1 over x is equal to square root of 3. Now if we are going to take cubed on both hand side, then we have x plus 1 over x whole cubed is equal to square root of 3 whole cubed. Here we have the algebraic identity, as we know that if we have a plus b whole cubed, it is equal to a cubed plus b cubed plus 3 times a times b and a plus b. So using this algebraic identity here, then we have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3 times x times 1 over x times x plus 1 over x, which is equal to, here we have square root of 3 cubed will be written as square root of 27. Now here x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus cancelling x with x, we get 3 times x plus 1 over x is equal to square root of 27. Now x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3 times, as we know that x plus 1 over x from our problem, x plus 1 over x is equal to square root of 3. So here we have times square root of 3, which is equal to 27. Square root of 27 will be written as 9 times 3 square root. Here we have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3 times square root of 3 is equal to, here square root of 9, we just write here that square root of 9 times 3 is equal to square root of 9 times square root of 3. So square root of 9 is equal to 3 times square root of 3. Here we get 3 times square root of 3. Now x cubed plus 1 over x cubed, here plus 3 times square root of 3 plus 3 times square root of 3 can be cancelled, so we get here 0. X cubed plus 1 over x cubed is equal to 0. Now here denominator is 1, so taking this common multiple, x cubed, then we have x cubed times x cubed, and here x cubed is cancelled with x cubed, we get 1. 1 times 1 is 1 is equal to 0. Now here x cubed times x cubed will be x to the power 6 plus 1 all over x cubed is equal to 0. So if you multiply x cubed on both hand side, here on our left hand side and similarly on our right hand side, so cancelling x cubed with x cubed, we have x to the power 6 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now here x to the power 6 will be shifting this plus 1, we get minus 1. So let's say it is our equation number 1, that x to the power 6 is equal to minus 1. So here we have to find x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100. Here this x to the power 100 can also be written as this 100 is actually, this 100 is equal to, if we just find the multiples of 6 here, so 100 is 102 minus 2, which is equal to 100, and here 17 times 6, we just write 17 times 6 which is equal to 102. So now we are going to write this x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100 is equal to x to the power this 102 minus 2, 102 minus 2, and plus 1 over x to the power 102 minus 2. So it is equal to x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100 is equal to, this x to the power 102 minus 2 can also be written as using exponential law. If we have a to the power m minus n, it is equal to a to the power m over a to the power n. So x to the power 102 over x squared. Similarly, if we use this law here, then we just write here that 1 over x to the power 102 over x squared. Now our next step is here x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100 is equal to, here we have x to the power 102 over x squared, plus it can be written as x squared over x to the power 102. Now x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100 is equal to, this 102 can also be written as x to the power as 17 times 6. So we just write x to the power 6 whole to the power 17 all over x squared. Similarly, plus x squared over x to the power 6 whole to the power 17. But we know that this x to the power 6 from equation 1, it is equal to minus 1, as we see that from equation 1 x to the power 6 is equal to minus 1. Now substituting this value here, then x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100 is equal to minus 1 to the power 17 all over x squared, and plus x squared over x to the power 6 is minus 1 all to the power 17. Now our next step is x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100, that is equal to minus 1 to the power 17. As this exponent 17 is odd number, so we get minus 1 here, minus 1 over x squared. Similarly, here we have x squared over minus 1. Now x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100 is equal to, here it can be written as that this minus 1 over x squared, here plus time minus is minus x squared. So x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100 is equal to, by shifting this one, then we get here taking minus is common, so we just write x squared plus 1 over x squared. Now by using algebraic identity, as we know that if we have a squared plus b squared, then it is equal to a plus b whole squared minus 2 times a times b. So using here, then we have x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100 is equal to minus, here we have a plus b whole square, which is x plus 1 over x whole squared, and minus 2 times x times, that is b is 1 over x. So here cancelling this x with x, then we get x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100 is equal to minus, as we know that this x plus 1 over x is actually, it is equal to that x plus 1 over x is equal to square root of 3. X plus 1 over x is equal to square root of 3. So putting this value here, that square root of 3 whole squared minus 2. So we have cancelling this square with square root, we get x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100 is equal to minus 3 minus 2. Here we have our final steps. So x to the power 100 over x to the power 100 is equal to, here 3 minus 2 is actually 3 minus 2 is 1. So we get minus 1. So value of x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100 is equal to minus 1. So it is our final answer, that we have find out the value of x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100, which is equal to minus 1. So here we have our entire solution. Now we are going to check our entire problem here. So our final answer is that we get minus 1. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.